Did you know that the yarn you use can have a big impact on the environment? Here's a natural solution that cares for the planet. Kapok fiber comes from the kapok tree, which thrives in tropical regions. With its lightweight properties and moisture-resistant nature, kapok yarn is ideal for natural textiles, fashion, and home decor. Eco-friendly yarn made from kapok is an incredible innovation. This natural fiber is lightweight, hypoallergenic, and 100% biodegradable. Kapok yarn reduces carbon footprints, requires no harmful chemicals, and promotes environmental sustainability. Unlike synthetic fibers that pollute the environment, kapok fiber decomposes naturally, leaving no toxic residue. Choosing kapok yarn means contributing to a greener planet.